Do I need witness for small claims court? Are you wondering if you need a witness for small claims court? This is a common question, especially when dealing with auto insurance collision claims. Let's break it down. In small claims court, having a witness is not mandatory, but it can be very beneficial. Witnesses can provide testimony that supports your version of events, which is especially helpful in disputes related to auto insurance collision claims. When it comes to car accidents, insurance companies and courts often relying on eyewitness accounts to verify what happened. If you have a witness who saw the accident, their testimony can help establish fault or liability. This can make a big difference in the outcome of your case. However, if you do not have a witness, you can still present other types of evidence. For instance, police reports are extremely valuable. They include details about the accident, the parties involved, and any traffic citations issued. This information can help establish fault even without eyewitnesses. Additionally, photographs of the accident scene, repair estimates, and any documentation related to your claim can serve as strong evidence. If you do have witnesses who are willing to testify, it is important to bring them to your small claims court hearing. If your witnesses are unable or unwilling to appear voluntarily, you can ask the court clerk for help. They can issue subpoenas to compel witnesses to attend. In some cases, expert witnesses may be able to appear by telephone to reduce costs, but this is less common in small claims cases due to the typically limited amount in controversy. While you do not strictly need a witness to file or pursue a small claims case related to a car insurance collision claim, having one or more witnesses can significantly improve your chances of success. Their credible testimony can strengthen your case. Without witnesses, you will need to be prepared to present strong alternative evidence, such as police reports, photographs, and repair bills to support your claim. In summary, while witnesses are not a requirement, they can provide essential support for your case in small claims court, especially when it comes to auto insurance collision claims.